World peace is in the laundry. When each person has peace, the world has peace. Oh, I know. War is easier than peace. Right now, all men have is war. At least women can cry and sob. Tears are as cleansing to a human as rain is to the earth. But I have a better way. My laundry bashing parties. War is expensive. My laundry bashing parties are free and open to everyone. Oh, I know. I could spew my hate and anger all over everyone. I know what it feels like to be held down and punched by an ex-husband who said he'd cherish me. I know what it feels like to be strangled by an ex-boyfriend. To be hanging in the balance between death and life. Suspended in air like a sheet on a clothesline, hovering between life and death, heaven and earth. I suddenly felt what all I can describe as divine love. And I knew I must love myself before I can love others. My power is internal and a permanent gift from God. I can forgive. And by forgiving, I free myself. I still can't sing on pitch sometimes, but here I am, alive. My grandma taught me how to transform hatred and anger into love and peace by bashing laundry. Now I have my own laundry bashing parties. All you do is set the pillows around, immerse yourself in nature, and then everyone is free to bash the laundry. Just over and over and over and over and over and over. Just bash the laundry. Keep going. Over and over and over and over until suddenly they feel better. They don't know why they feel better, but I do. They've transformed their hate and anger into love and peace. And when each person has peace, the world has peace. World peace is in the laundry.